Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of WWE SUPERCARD with me, Antonio, Season 3, Episode 171. And, as you guys can see, we have the Road to Glory going on here. The preview was yesterday, but, we're just gonna play this one Road to Glory game, and then I'm gonna do some things. I'm gonna go over with you guys some things, and then I'll play these games back. As you guys can see, I have 25 out of 35 points. I'm doing really bad, but today's goal is to finish the Kalisto. That's my goal tonight, just to finish the Kalisto card. The good news is I do not have work tomorrow, so that means I will be finishing the Cesaro, the Neville, and the Sheamus. I am going to try really hard to get all these 3 cards done, and then Saturday I'm going to see if I can get that one done, and then so on. So I'm just going to play one game here, and then so we're just going to talk about stuff. I was just on Twitter, and they are saying, I don't know if this is true, I saw a Hall of Fame card. I do not know what this means. Maybe it's a new tier. I'll love it. It will be a new tier. So maybe a new tier or fusion. I have no idea, but it's probably gonna be a new tier. So I don't know what's gonna happen with that. Is that Undertaker still level 0? Okay, good. So I don't know what's going on with that, but we'll have to find out in a couple days. It's currently 5:09 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here. It's Thursday, so today's only the first day of Road to Glory. So I'm gonna be playing for the rest of the night. Maybe I'll go to sleep around 1 a.m. tonight. Within that's what 8 hours. So 7-8 hours. So play Road to Glory. That way I can play actually, because that way it's easier for me. So all I really gotta do is press random cards, which is simple. So let's see here, 10 team. Okay, power toughness for him. Matt Hardy. I was reading through you guys' comments yesterday, saying if I should get them or not. People say yes. People said if it's good for your deck. I mean, I don't know yet. We'll see what happens. If I get them, I get them. If I don't, I don't. I mean, I don't feel like wasting credits at all. I mean, I know I can get that Rich Swan for free without spending credits. So all I gotta do is just. I mean, unless I play like a bunch of +5s, but it's whatever. Alright, so that's that. We'll get back to the Road to Glory after. Let's see what's going on in my fusion chamber. 17 hours, 53 minutes. Okay, so that's tomorrow. I'll clean that tomorrow. Now King of the Ring. I will be doing this. I'll have to combine the Braun Strowman. I'll do it on camera right now. I'll combine them real quick. Just gotta make sure he's good to go. Some 40 tokens. Okay, so he's good to go. Braun Strowman, 40, 20. 3, 6, 9, 10. Alright, so Braun Strowman's gonna be combined. That's cool. Strowman is done, pro'd. He's good to go. All I have to do is just change his picture. I don't know. I think I may stick with that one. I don't know yet. It should say Perfect Pro. Yep, Perfect Pro. Very good. Oops. Alright, let me go to the King of the Ring. I'm going to put him in my King of the Ring as a level 0. Oops. Didn't even click on that. Braun Strowman. Something higher than Sheamus. Okay, so that's not too hard. Higher than Sheamus I have is TJ Perkins. There we go. So this is going to be my King of the Ring lineup. We'll be starting this within less than 4 hours. So I'm just going to go something like this. I'll have to take it with the Bobby Roode. These guys are level 0, Taker and Braun Strowman. So once I'm in the first game, I'm going to be leveling them up all the way up to level 55. That way I should be good to go. That way, because Taker is power toughness and he is power charisma, I believe, right? Yeah, he's power and charisma. So they'll get the charisma and the toughness. I won't just have the speed, but it's fine. I'll just have the Matt Hardy, AJ Styles, and the Strowman, Naomi, and then I'll have the Charlotte and the Asuka. Team Battleground results. We lost 10,006 to 12,934. Fortunately, we didn't win, but we did get the 10,000, so that means I will be getting a WrestleMania 33 card out of this pack. So I just hope it's something good. So let's just click and we get we get the 1,000. Okay. Oh, I don't get the WrestleMania card. Aw. Wonder why. Oh, I don't know. Wait, that Brian Kendrick. Dang. That's weird. I thought we were in WrestleMania tier. We're in WrestleMania 33 double plus. Where are my cards? Oh, they're right. Where are they? How come we didn't get the, maybe they changed the rewards or something. Because that is weird. We got the gold pack. Oh, it was either WrestleMania, an Ultimate or WrestleMania. Oh, okay. Oh, that I didn't know. But it's fine. I didn't know. I thought it was like a guaranteed WrestleMania card. Yeah, it's okay. Alright, so let me just lock out those cards real quick. The TJ Perkins, I mean, that Brian Kendrick is a pro though. I mean, I don't even care. I don't even think he's not that good. Alright, Elite. Alright. That's alright, I didn't know. That's fine. Alright, so King of the Ring, we're going to start that tonight. Team Battleground, okay. So I'll play another game of Road to Glory. And then after this one, I'll do a team shot and then I'll end the video. That way I'll just play Road to Glory games on my phone. That way it's 5 times faster. Alright, so we have a tag team match here. Tag team, give them all power. Tag team Charisma. Okay, round 2 of 4. Got Charisma over here. So much Charisma. Tag team power. Rich Swan. Double stats. Female toughness. last round. Still in that already. Go like that. Okay, so we got 10 out of 75 on Sasha. So I'll get the Sasha. Oh, legendary Dolph Ziggler. Nice. That's cool. Alright, do a team shout out, then I'll end the video from there. So shout out to Quinn Gorilla, Crazy Killer, David Herbst 28, TP, Tony Palumbo, Ado Gam, myself, Parker, Damien, Jacob, and Melina. So that's gonna be it for me, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe for more future WWE SUPERCARD videos. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 2 of Road to Glory. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.